Hey everyone, Jaspreet here. I'm actually coming to you from Vancouver today where I'm leading an office move and an Entra ID migration for a client. While we were hardening the new environment, I ran into a configuration gap that is far more common than most admins realize. Most organizations think their cloud-only global admins are isolated from their on-premises Active Directory. Today we are documenting Experiment 18. I'm going to show you how a single default setting in Entra ID allows an attacker to shadow a cloud admin and hijack your tenant without a single phishing email. We are doing this live, showing the errors, the logs, and the modern fix. This is evidence-based engineering for F11.ca. To understand the attack, you have to understand the hard matching. When Entra ID thinks an object, it looks for a match. If a cloud-only account has a null immutable ID, and I create an on-premises user with the same matching UPN, the sync engine assumes they are the same person. It links them and suddenly your on-premises password overwrites your cloud admin password. Let's get into the lab. First hurdle, I tried to inject the immutable ID using my admin credentials. I got this 403 forbidden error. This is a part of teachable moment. Being a global admin in the portal isn't enough. The Graph API requires explicit consent. We had to reconnect with all directory access as user, all scope proof to the API that we intended to perform a directory level modification. Once we have the scopes, we push the GUID. Look at the audit log. This is the smoking gun. You can see the source being updated by the sync service. The account source just flipped from cloud to Windows Server AD. I'm now logging into the Azure portal as global admin using a standard on-premises password. And this backdoor is wide open. As you can see, the user principal name is victim admin, but the old value was null, but now it's true. Display name was old victim admin, but now it has been changed to shadow admin. Now how do we fix it? If you follow old guides, you will try legacy MS Online command and get command not found. If you try to load the whole graph module, you might hit a session overflow. In 2026, we stay modular. We check our status and find it is set to false. We use the targeted identity directory management submodule to finally lock the door. The lesson here, default settings are rarely security first. For our clients at Accelerate ID services, we verify these flags as part of every Entra ID migration. If you're not checking your blocked cloud object takeover status, you're leaving your cloud kingdom vulnerable to your on-premises mistakes. Head over to F11.ca for the full technical record. I'm Jaspreet Singh. I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you guys.